July 29th, 2014. Charlie can pretty much play on a playground set by himself. Oh, is it a little sticky today? Huh? Did you see a plane? Yeah, a plane. Are you gonna climb up the slide? Charlie, you're gonna climb up the slide? You could do it. Oh! Take your time. Almost. Almost. Good job, buddy. Good job. Yay! No, no, no. No, Charlie. That's a no. We only climb up that wall. Going down's a different story. Yeah, why don't we go down the big slide? You gonna scooch? You gonna scooch? Scooch, 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 come on. Yeah. Scooch, scooch, scooch. Yeah, on your butt. Now, how are you gonna go down? You gonna go down on your belly? What are you doing in there, silly? Ah, you gonna scooch? Come on, Scoocher. Come on, Scoocher. Oh, Daddy! Daddy's here.
You gonna scooch back and go down the slide? You gonna go down the slide?
Are you stuck?
You should go quick. You got sweatpants on. Come on. No, don't go head first. Feet first. Feet first or on your belly.
Hi.
Come on. You can do it. Whoa, it's going quick today.
Yay!
You got grass stains on your butt. See the duckies?
Oh, let's go look at the duckies.
Come on.
Quack, 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 quack. Yeah. Duck, duck.
Oh, look, a whole bunch.
Oh, wow.
Watch your step.
See, there's lots of ducks coming our way. Oh, and some over there. Oh. Charlie, no, let's check out the ducks over here. Come on. Look at the ducks here. Oh, wow, look at. Quack, 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 quack.
My hand, I'll hold you down. No? No.
Quack, 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 quack.